Here we come to the elevator at Woodlands Mall in the Woodlands, Texas. It's a Montgomery from 1994. This is a huge elevator. I'm gonna try to do an updated take on this elevator, but this thing's been insanely busy, making it painfully difficult for me to get an amazing video of this elevator. I had to do like numerous attempts as people were just literally instantly piling in repeatedly. There's another elevator here, but that one's broken, unfortunately. All right, here it is. Going down is gonna be a nightmare. So let's get a quick cab view and then let's get in quick. That is the most hilariously bad sounding motor I have ever heard. I could literally hear the motor vibrating through my feet. All right, let's get inside quick. I didn't even get a good view of the fixtures. This thing was insanely busy. Yeah, that motor sounded hilariously bad. This is a big elevator. Anyways, I had to get off because lots of people are getting on. This is insane. All right, well, with that being said, at least I got a good video this time.